Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Ainoor Naveed. Today we are going to be doing a new website, R of Code. Let me search it. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, press this learn over here. Click. Okay, we're inside R of Code. Now to change the language, I'm just gonna go to English. Wait, yeah, it's right here. Okay, so let's do something fun. There are a lot of activities. Why don't we do dance party AI edition? Let's click it and now press start. Okay, so there's a video. I'm just gonna skip it. Press continue. Welcome to dance party. Write your age below and click OK to continue. Okay, I'm just gonna put a random age. I'll put 10. Yeah. So it says we're gonna play it. Add blocks to create your dancer and code them to do a new dance move. Click run to start dancing. Okay, let's go start here across it and put this here. Let's see, there are I think two options. Yeah, cat and sloth. I think I like the cat, but the sloth looks like this. So yeah, I'm doing the cat. And the position is center. Yeah, center will be fine. But I want to do random. It will be good. Okay. Second one, what design the cats will do. Okay, I'm just gonna run it. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 2. Okay, let's continue it. A video, I'm just gonna cross it. Okay, I'll play this one. AI can help you create fun visual effects for your dance party. Connect the AI generate block to setup. Click on the block to get started. This should be easy for you. You have to choose some emojis in it and it will generate new items. Okay, so now we're gonna put this block. We can change the music from here. Okay, we're gonna put the air generate block. The rest is already done for us. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna click here. What should I add? What about a blue windish thing? I want to make it bluish. So as it generated now, okay. AI is finding the best effect for your emojis. Waiting. Got it. Yeah, it looks cool. Narrate. Good. I'm on it. Great! I completed puzzle 3! You can replay if you want, but I'm gonna continue. Okay, let's start this one. Use AI to generate a new effect for a different song. Connect the AI generate block to set up. Click on the block to get started. Okay, well, now it's already set up. So we're gonna do the generate I setup again. Again, click on it. For the moon, I want something pretty like, rainbowish. I'm gonna add these and disco. Generate. Waiting. Yeah, this looks really nice. I like it. Use effect. Okay, that looks nice. We can also see the code from here. You see? It's bubbles and neon and fireworks. It's really nice. I like it. It can be used in the other dance party without the AI edition. Well, cross it out. And time to run it. Nice. Yes, puzzle 4. Let's continue. Okay, press. Mm, okay. There's another ad of how Hey AI works. I'm just gonna cross it. Okay, there's already generated. This saying AI get you started. You can customize the effect it created. Click the emojis to try one of these. Regenerate AI will recommend a different effect based on the same emoji. Okay, so let's just click it. Okay, so this is the effect. Now we can regenerate it if we like. So I'm gonna press regenerate. Waiting. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Let's use effect. Okay, you see the code over here? It's the block code. Okay, we're just gonna use this effect. See now? Now we're gonna run it. Run. Okay. It's got some nice moves. Groovin'. Yes, completed. Let's continue. Okay, continuing time. Loading. Another ad. I'm gonna just skip it. Okay, let's do it. Try it out. You control the dance moves. Press run to start the song. Then press the right or left arrow to control your dancer's moves. Dancers move. Okay, so the setup is like this. So we just have to run it. Yeah, okay, the left arrow, you see what it does, and the right arrow does this. So yeah, let's run it. Okay, I'm gonna press some arrows. Yes, that's how we do it. See, they dance according to the code. Okay, next puzzle. Okay, I'm just gonna replay it to show you we can also do from here. You see, it's doing it. Okay, I'm pressing the wrong key. Okay, yeah, I did it. So yeah, you see. Okay, continue. Nice beer. Okay, let's see the setup. Okay, let's listen to the instructions first. Your turn. Code your dancer to move when you press a key. Attach this block under this block event. Make sure to press the button on your up arrow key after clicking. Okay, so this is the setup. We can see the buttons names over there. So yeah, there's the purple one. It's gonna place it over here, and I think I'm gonna do random. Okay, so then the AI generate effect. For the beer, I would like something, I should add earthish. So I'm gonna add this plant. Well, a rainbow. And what about, as you know, it's music, a disco party. So a disco ball. Okay, and generate. Waiting. I want to regenerate it. I mean, it could be better. So let's see. Waiting. No. I think I'll. Or should I? I think I'll just regenerate it. Waiting. Let's see. It's the same effect as the first one. Never mind, I'll just use it. Okay. So now we're gonna run it. Yes. Go, go. Go. Nice dance moves you got here. Okay, I've been pressing the up key from the keyboard. So yeah, we're going to puzzle 7. Okay. So, okay, gonna skip the side. Okay, The instructions are, I'm going to read them aloud this time. Try it out. The effect changes at specific times in the song. Press run to start the song. Watch the effects change at measure 3 and again at measure 5. Okay, you see? I just read it aloud this time myself. So, yeah. You see, they've already set it up for us. See the background changes? Okay, we're just gonna, run it. And we need to just see it. Concentrate your eyes on that background. See, it changed at measure 3 and at measure 5. Now that was nice, wasn't it? Okay. So see, congratulations! You completed puzzle 8. Okay, continuing to puzzle 9. That looks nice. I'm gonna just read it aloud. Your turn. Go to your answer to change effects at specific times in the song. Connect the AI generate effect block to the add 2 measures event in your workspace. Press run to watch the effect change at measure 2. Well, that was that. Okay, so you understood. Now let's connect that AI generate effect block to that, and now choose it. Okay. What to put in? I think something. Let's go to do a brightish and bluish. I don't know how to describe what I want, but never mind. Waiting. Nice. I'm gonna use this effect. Yeah. So run it, and now you're gonna see our 2 measure. It's gonna change. Yeah, see? Nice, isn't it? Okay. Nice moves you out there, Sloth. Okay. Puzzle 9. Second last. Okay, continue. Okay. Nice work. Now use the skills you just learned and AI to keep the dance party going and get creative. 10th level, the last one. Wait. Okay. Let's see if we can do it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I want it to be pineapples here. So I'm gonna do pineapples. And I want a beer in its place. Where is it? Oh, yeah, right there. Okay, and I'm gonna choose the generate effect because I don't want, this one. Yeah. So rose would do a rainbow and a fire. Yeah. So it would be a reddish type color. Let's see what it makes out of it. Waiting. Nice. I like it. Use effect. Okay, you see that? I'm just gonna do more. You see? All do. Oh, sorry. I added it on the wrong place. All will do next. So I'm gonna change it to beers will do. Which one? There's so many good options. I think I'll do clap high. Yeah, that would do. When up pressed, well, we're gonna change the key, Down. Yeah, when down key pressed. We're gonna take all do this. I'll do this forever. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Forever. Answer it. You see, it's forever, so it will keep doing it. Once I press the up key, it'll keep doing it. So we have to do it once. Yeah. I'm gonna fix that. This one in the bin, and this one once. Okay. All pineapples do, and all beers do. Gonna change their. This one is clap high, and this one is. I think it'll do double down. Now for, all of them. When up pressed, We're gonna take that one. Yeah, we'll do next forever. Yeah, forever. The one we're gonna do together all, you know, while not doing the other ones. So I think I'll take the star. Yeah, and I think I don't want the other one. The tint will change the skin color, and I think I'll also take repeat every 4 years. I think I'll do generate effect. Well, what about make 20 beers infinite line? I don't think so. Let's do AI generate effect. That would be nice. Let me put it in. Wait, I don't think it will work, but never mind. I'm just doing it. I think it'll change at the fourth year. It will not actually like change at the every 4 year because it's going to stay the same. But I'm actually gonna do it. Let's see how it will work. I choose yellowish things. Orangish if you count the fire's upper layer. Okay. Mm, well, yeah, it looks nice. Use effect. And yeah, so I'm not gonna use the other blocks. And yeah, so it started. Nice dance moves. I'm clicking the keys and it really works. So you just have to code your way through. And see, as I told you, at every 4 years it's not gonna keep changing. Well, I guess that was supposed to happen. I like it anyway. It really is nice. Now you see, I'm clicking every the keys. Oh wait, I pressed one up pressed. All will do. Well, don't make that mistake. Now I completed the final puzzle. Okay, finish. Enter your name. Okay, I entered the wrong name. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna fix it. Yeah. Okay, submit. Thanks for submitting. You're welcome. Okay, so here I'm just gonna click it. Click. There's certificate. Thanks for watching, everyone. Allah Hafiz.